So currently all the messages will be sent from default number, which is Prisma Commerce number. So now we will configure our WhatsApp API account to send from brand's identity. To do that, first we need to upgrade the plan to growth. So I have already upgraded the plan to growth plan API account. Yeah, here you can see two buttons. One is connect WhatsApp API account and another is with catalog. So in case you want to sell on WhatsApp, you have your own catalog configured in Facebook, so then you need to click the second button. Otherwise we need to click the first button. So let's move. So this will ask to log in with your Facebook account. Since I'm already logged in with my Facebook account, so I'll continue. Here you can see I have my own number configured here already. So in case you don't have number, you can get a free number from here. Here you will get an option to get a free number. So currently I'll choose this existing number. You can also configure your existing number here. This is my business account. Okay, so now we need to add a payment method here. So I have already added the payment method, so I'll skip this step, but you need to add the payment method, and then so I'll finish it. So after finishing this, you will see this page here. You can see templates 0 by 33. So that means basically we need to sync our templates. So I'll click on sync. So here this will take around 10 minutes to sync all the templates. So I'll forward this video. So now all the templates are synced. Now we can test the notification. So now you can see I have received the notification. We can also check this in our notification logs. Yes, so now this is delivered. So now the test message was sent from brand's identity, brand center ID, but the notifications are still being sent from default center ID. So then now we need to enable it. So when we enable it, all the notifications will start sending from the brand's identity. So now we will enable it. Great. So now all the notifications will be sent from brand's identity.